Yo, what is going on, guys? Mike back again with another video today. And today we're doing another unboxing. Now, I look like trash. I just got back from the gym. I have a stain on my sweatshirt. We're diving into and we're unboxing a mouse. And it's not a special mouse. It's just a really cool mouse I found on Amazon, and it had great reviews. And I'm going to show a picture right here somewhere. At my big boy job, I have like an external mouse, you know, that I have a laptop and I have an external mouse, like a wireless mouse. I just find it uncomfortable now not having a wireless mouse. So looked on Amazon. This one was only $20, I believe, if not less, and fantastic reviews on it. And if I like it, I'm going to definitely recommend it to you guys. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button right now. Check out the Cam Fam. Come on now, the best family on YouTube here. As well as hit that like button and notification button to stay updated with all the new videos that I will be posting. Go down to the link below and you'll see cambrandco.com. Go support the Cam brand like you guys need to ASAP. Like, the more people that support it, the better. So yeah, I got new stuff coming on the way for it, and it's gonna be, Cam's gonna be a year old. I got a plan for that. I got a plan for that shit. But yeah, anyway, into the video. So guys, I've been finding a lot of random steals on Amazon, and I might just be doing like random unboxings of Amazon products, and just to see if they're legit. Now, this mouse in particular is called the Komos 1906. I don't know if that's the brand or the you know, model. The brand's probably Komos and the model is probably 1906. This is the packaging, guys. Nothing really too special here. Made in China, so if you guys are a fan of American-made products, definitely not for you. But this was cheap and it had great reviews, so if you guys are into that, definitely go check it out. So, into the mouse. So the way you unbox this here is actually unlatching 4 little latches on each side of the case, which is really nice. It gives it a nice touch here, and when you unbox it and take off the case, it's like one of those plastic cases like you used to have in elementary school to put your hold your pencils in. A very light plastic, but a case nonetheless. Here, oh, nice and wrapped. And let's see, before we get into this, obviously you got a charger because this is a rechargeable mouse. You have the directions, so it's not really hard to use a mouse, I don't think, but to be honest, I'll probably need to use the instructions on how to use this because, well, that's just me. Lastly, the mouse. Now, I haven't taken a peek at this, and I'm super excited because here we go. Yo, this is sick. So look at, like, this thing is super dope. The reason why I got it is because it lights up like different colors, and it kind of matches the theme in my little office basement area. I have like LEDs everywhere, and this changes colors and has LEDs, so super cool. One thing I did notice too is it was a silent click, but super silent mouse. This is what it looks like when you turn, like when you like scroll up and down. That's what it sounds like. A little louder there. The silent click is awesome. It feels so good in my hand too. And I have a fairly large hand, and this mouse is fairly large, not gonna lie. Just a heads up. Let's see now. So I just want to connect it. How do I connect it? Alright, so I do need the instructions. Let's see. So, how to use. Please charge the mouse for about 2 hours before using it the first time.
2 hours later.
More like 5 weeks later, guys. I apologize, I haven't uploaded in such a long time. I actually just stopped by Pets Supply Plus or whatever the hell and picked up a couple harnesses for Bentley and Luna. I also have a second dog, but it's more like a family dog, but I got him a couple, like I said, harnesses and leashes. Pretty cool colors, like a neon green and a light blue, so I thought it was super dope. But that's not what this video is for, guys. I just want to apologize yet again for not uploading. That's my fault. I just had some stuff go on, and there's no excuse, but back into the video. This thing sucks to use. I gag like I'm just like stuffing something down my throat. It fucking sucks. And before we go back into the video, guys, if you guys can go to my Instagram, shoot me a follow and throw up a like on my last picture. It's actually gonna be popped up right here. It's from my last weekend in Arizona. Really fun trip, really good time. I really enjoyed it, and it made me realize that I want to get there a lot quicker. So if you guys can go do that, that'd be fantastic, and I'll shout you guys out, or I'll shout one of you guys out in the next video. Go do that. Thanks. Alrighty guys, so now that I'm back and I got the mouse charged up just a little bit, I want to show you guys a couple things. Now the first thing I want to do, guys, since it is semi-charged, is show you what it looks like, or how to turn on the actual mouse, and it's very, very simple. Right underneath where it says Comos, you'll see two little switches there. Now the way you know, or the way to turn on your mouse, is to also have the mini USB port that connects the Bluetooth to the computer into the actual laptop or computer that you're using. Now it's actually very conveniently placed right underneath here. You see this little space here. It's very, very convenient placed there. Honestly, I didn't even realize that that was the thing to grab and use. I actually had to work my way around it as well, and I grabbed some tweezers and pull it out because my fingers are way too fat to pull it out. But anyway, how to turn it on. So the top one is actually how to turn it on, and since it is on a lower charge, it will indicate that it is on low charge. I'm going to show you guys that as well. Now, as you can see, there's a very, very light red color coming out of the mouse. And another way to do that as well is if you turn the mouse LEDs on, it flashes red as well. Now it'll flash red and then go into the different colors. So it's pretty cool. It switches from, a green to a blue to a purple to, back to a yellow and everything else like in between. So super, super dope mouse. I really, really enjoy using this. I've had this for about 5 weeks or so since I last jumped on this video, and it's been a beast for me, honestly. It does take a couple hours to charge, but honestly, super cool mouse. What a beast. I could not be more happy with this product. Shout out to Amazon for this product. Honestly, I can buy some more stuff from this brand as well because they actually had a white version, and I might cop the white version as well. Now, before I complete my review on this, this mouse also has a couple different buttons that are on it that I really don't know what the hell they do. There was no need for it, at least for me. I mean, I did try using the forward and backward button because I know my wireless mouse at my big boy job will kind of back skip or whatever the hell you want to go, like go to the last page or, go back in general. And this one doesn't. I don't know if it's because it's a Mac laptop that I use, and it just doesn't configure, between whatever software maybe or what. But there are a couple other buttons around, like there's one right underneath the scroller. I have no idea what that does. And then there's also a forward and backward button. Again, I'm sure these are for gamers and stuff like that. These little tools and buttons can be used for in gaming sessions. So that's also cool. So gamers, definitely check us out for you guys as well. And that'll do it for me, guys. Again, I apologize. I took such a long break. That's just on me. Life happens, but I'm back on the grind and I'm here for you guys. And again, I just can't wait for this journey to just explode. So that'll do it for me, guys. Mike signing out. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed the video, as well as hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to follow me and my brand, Cam Brand, right here on all social media platforms. Those links will be below. Thank you guys for joining me today in this video. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.